let's see about non-acceptance. What it leads to. Non-acceptance of anything, any matter, or food, or anything. So, what it leads to. This journey of mine, understanding this, started with my medical counseling course. So, I was doing internship. That time, in the hospital, especially pulmonary department, most of the patients, they're suffering from bronchitis, asthma, or breathing problem. They come and take oxygen in the hospital, and so many allergic reactions, everything related to breathing. So I was trying to understand what may be the root cause. As you know, root cause of all the ailments, it's in the thought process. Initially, it starts there, then it comes to our energy level. We feel energy depleted, but we don't know what is it. But later, it comes to our physical level where we feel uneasiness and pain. That time, it comes out. I mean, what is it? But treatment is given to the pain and uneasiness, but not the energy level. Sometimes maybe some supplements may be given, or some healing modalities can be taken, but root cause of that thought process, why it started, no one goes till there. If that is not addressed, this health issue, it occurs again and again. It becomes chronic. Often they visit hospital. So in this, any name you may give about the breathing problem, but I used to ask them one question, because I am not a doctor, so I don't want to get into the fancy names of all the ailments. But I was asking the patient, you just let me know, while breathing in, do you have problem, or breathing out? So many of them will be telling, while breathing in, I have problem. So they will be supplied oxygen and all. So breathing in means it is accepting something inside. So there is something, some non-acceptance thing will be there. That's what I thought, and I kept asking, and from their handwriting, I could see some, somewhere some issue happened and all. No, we don't get to know what issue it is, but that they have to tell. Then example, so many things I came to know. See, one lady, she's in 70s now. Her daughter died a couple of years ago, 7 years ago. And this lady, she's not able to accept that reality. Her daughter has died. She has a lot of resentment towards God, or towards the condition, situation, everything. Like she will be constantly checking or asking God, why this happened to me? I am such a pious lady. In front of my eyes, how can my daughter die? And when all other children or others are enjoying, she feels, if my daughter was here, she would have enjoyed, like that. So every occasion, say daughter's birthday, or any function in the at home and all, she gets into that attack, where breathing becomes problem and hospitalized. But no one identified, that time it triggers. When I probed, whenever she got hospitalized, what's the date and any significance to those dates, then they family members also realized, oh God, because of this, it is the triggering, like that. So non-acceptance. So many a times, non-acceptance of death of someone close to them, that triggers certain health issues. For each one, it is unique. See, for her, death means breathing has stopped. She would have taken like that. That's why breathing. Why am I still breathing, kind of thing. But one more lady, her son in young age, he drowned in sea and died. Only son. Now for her mother, it's a esophagus cancer, because I mean, taking in, gulping in became problem, because her son was foodie, he was eating so much and all. Now whenever she eats, she feels, I'm eating here, my son is no more. If he was here, he would have enjoyed eating, like that. So that non-acceptance. So death means not able to eat and digest, that connection. So it affected her. For some people, death may be, the stopping of the heart. So the heart problem they may get into. For some people, it is death means so nothing is working. So physically, the degeneration of brain also can happen when they are not able to accept. So the early onset of dementia, Alzheimer's possible. And for some people, digestion, so not able to digest, so some stomach or the colon cancer, all that happens. This is the way. So this is a part 1 where I am talking about non-acceptance. There is one more part where it is the guilt and trauma. Releasing is the issue. That we'll talk in another video. Please watch it. Thank you.